Okay, everybody, last round. Woohoo! Yeah, this is, it takes a little time to do this, but, you know, it's enjoyable. Okay, so round 9, we are going to now go all the way to H, the letter H with the number of stitches. So basically we're going to do 2, like A1, A2, and then after that we're going to do 7. So there's A1, A2, then it's B. These are the number of stitches you're going to go in. After A1, A2, then it's B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That's 7. So you're going to do A1, A2, then, let me do it this way. A1, A2, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A1, A2, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A1, A2, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A1, A2. So that's how it's going to be. And we're going to have a total of 54 stitches. So we're going to go ahead, and because we're not going to continue after round 9, I don't need to really put a marker at the end. Now here, before I take this marker out, I want to first insert my crochet needle in there, make sure I have it. I don't want to lose it. Now I took it out. Okay, so now I'm going to go 1A1, 2A2, 3B, well, wrong one. Okay, hold on. There we go. 3B, 4C, 5D, 6E, 7F, 8G, 9H, 10A1. Wait, I just did the same. See, you got to be careful. Okay, here we go. 10A1, 11A2, 12B, 13C, 14D, 15E, 16F, 17G, 18H, 19A1, whoop, 19A1, 20A2, 21B, 22C, 23D, 24E, 25F, 26G, 27H, okay, 29, A1, 30, A2, 31B, 32C, 33D, 34E, 35F, 36G, 37H, 38A1, 39A2, 40B, 41C, 42D, 43E, 44F, 45G, 46H, 47A1, 48A2, 49B, okay, 49B, 50C, 51D, 52E, 53F, and 54, and 54G. So at this point, what we can do now is go ahead and tie a slip knot right here on 54. And we're going to go ahead and pull this through. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut this piece right here. And for your swatch, you're going to take that, and then you're going to go ahead and pull right through this way. And there we go. So you're going to see, right, because it is a spiral, that it stops right there, but we went around. And then these, here are your swatches. Now, yeah, maybe you can do the same as the coasters, where you make 2 swatches and then you do a border all around, and now you have a circular coaster. But there you go, there you have it.